After discussing the areas of misalignment in your prioritization results with your team, instead of going to the scores page to reevaluate issues, you can do it in the issue card. In each issue card, there's a reevaluation block. Select the issue you want to reevaluate, and to open its card, click Details. On the issue card, you can see the minimized alignment block with a preview of information like the issue's priority ranking, its total score, its criteria alignment, and its score percent. Click here to expand the block. You'll see a reevaluation table. The first column has a list of users, the criterion score, and the final score. The rest of the columns have the prioritization criteria. You can see your scores and the scores left by your teammates. Each team member can add their scores. If you have a lot of criteria in your framework, you can collapse the users columns to see more criteria in a single view. Ducalis offers options on who can change the final scores. You can choose to have no one change the final scores, to have facilitators who can change the final scores, or to allow everyone in the team to change the final scores. To choose which option you want, head over to Evaluation Progress and Sprint Planning Settings. If you select the option about facilitators, then you should pick out facilitators from your team. When the final score of a criterion is edited, the other scores are cancelled and they also can be edited. Hover over here to see who edited the final score and when they did it. Facilitators can restore the previous scores. If you want your team to evaluate an issue afresh, you can click Reset All Scores and all the scores will be zeroed. Over here, you can see the people who skipped evaluating an issue. If you're part of them, you can click here to resume evaluation of that issue. The issue will be moved back to the evaluation page. To avoid issues jumping from one position to another, you should disable auto-sorting when reevaluating issues. After you finish reevaluating issues, you can enable auto-sorting to sort your issues. If you close an issues card and leave the reevaluation block expanded, it will remain like that in any issue card that you open. So no need of expanding the block each time you want to use it in an issue card.